Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dark and Darker error code 16. The error reads, "An error has occurred." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch the game but are immediately met with this error. Some users have reported that reinstalling the game or restarting their computer did not fix the issue. In certain cases, the error may be related to incorrect or outdated drivers. Now let's go through the possible fixes for the error. Before trying anything else, restart your device and check if you need to update the game, Steam, or your Windows operating system. If any updates are available, install them and check if the error still appears. If everything is up to date, verify the integrity of game files through Steam. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Then right-click on Dark and Darker and select Properties. Then navigate to the Installed Files tab. Then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to complete. Once done, launch the game and see if the error still comes up. If verifying the game files does not fix the issue, then the problem might be related to drivers. In many cases, this error occurs due to having the wrong driver software installed. If you are using an AMD/Radeon GPU, make sure you are not using NVIDIA software. Also, make sure to download and install the correct drivers for your hardware from the official manufacturer's website. Once you have the right drivers installed, restart your computer and check if the game launches without the error. These are the possible fixes for the error. Try them out and see if they help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.